Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in or sign in to People's Pension account. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now, the search bar, you can simply search People's Pension Login. You will be now directly led to this page where you can see various websites. All you have to do is click on the first one, which says thepeoplespension.co.uk. Now, if you haven't signed up for your account, then you can simply click on sign up option at the top right and create yourself account. But if you already have the account, then you can click on login option. At the downside, you can see the option member login. And you can also see the option of are you an employer, log into your online services account, or are you an advisor, log into online account. You have to click the one which identifies you better. For this video, we will go for member login. Now you will be led to this kind of page. All you have to do is enter your credentials, that is your email address and your password. Now, if you are confused on your password, then you can click on this eye icon and you can see your password. Also, in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover your account. But in case if you have entered your credentials, all you can do is click on login and you will be successfully logged into your the People's Pension account. And this is how simply you can sign in or log in to People's Pension account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.